sharing your concerns with us. We are responsible for checking that health services in Wales meet the required standards of quality and safety. This includes services provided by the NHS or independent healthcare providers. Even though we can't investigate individual concerns or complaints, we still want to hear about your experiences of healthcare services in Wales. This helps us decide where we need to inspect based on the level of risk. We can signpost relevant organizations that can progress your concern or complaint. When information you make us aware of indicates a patient may be in danger of imminent harm or has been harmed, we will take immediate action to ensure their safety and share this information with other agencies. We keep a record of all concerns and complaints reported to us and regularly monitor these so we can establish an overall picture of the quality and safety of health services. If we receive a number of similar concerns about a health service, this might trigger assurance activity. We can't routinely investigate individual concerns, complaints, or the circumstances of an individual patient's care and treatment. We also can't investigate complaints about professional misconduct, change to service configurations, or specific matters which are subject to legal process. Keep up to date with our work and follow us on our social media channels.